In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your website in QuickBooks. Adding your company website to QuickBooks is a small step that makes a big difference. It helps your customers find you faster, gives your invoices and estimates a more professional look, and keeps your business profile consistent across the platform. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, offer a few helpful cues so you know you're in the right place, and share quick tips to make sure your link works perfectly. Start on your QuickBooks homepage and look toward the top right corner of your screen. Click the Settings icon. It's the small gear-shaped button. This opens a menu with several options. From here, choose Account and Settings. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to load, or make sure you're signed in with the correct permissions, since some settings are only visible to admins. Inside Account and Settings, look for the Company section. In many layouts, you'll see a vertical list of tabs on the left, and Company is usually the first one. Click Company to open your company profile details. In this area, find Company Info. This is where QuickBooks stores your public-facing details like legal name, address, and, importantly, your website. Next, locate the website field. To make changes, click Edit. This is often represented by a small pencil icon near the section. When the field becomes active, type your website address exactly as you want it to appear. For best results, include the full URL with CSS at the beginning, especially if your site uses a secure connection. Double-check spelling, avoid extra spaces, and make sure you're entering your main domain or the landing page you want customers to visit. Once your website is entered, click Save. The Save button may appear at the bottom right of the editing panel or near the section you just updated. After saving, QuickBooks will return you to the overview of your company details, and you should see your website listed in the website field. That's it. You've successfully added your website to your QuickBooks company profile. Going forward, this link can appear on customer-facing documents and give your brand a more polished presence. If you ever update your website or move to a new domain, just return to the same place. Settings, Account and Settings, Company, Company Info, edit the website field, and save again. Keeping this information current helps customers reach you easily and reinforces trust every time they see your company details.